Foods are the must resources for our body, and how to produce food sufficiently for the world's population is one of the biggest problems. What are we going to do after producing foods? Eat them immediately after making? No. Food must be preserved and stored. During preserving and storing foods, they have to fight against microorganism-induced spoilage of foods. Louis Pasteur was one of the first researchers to study food microbiology, and his work had shifted to solve the problems of spoilage like wine and milk. He revealed the nature of fermentations and discovered that using heat was one of the major methods for preventing spoilage. According to the passage, microorganisms can play two roles as enhancers and destroyers.
Microorganisms modify foods through biochemical activities. Microbial fermentation results in biochemical change that can lead to flavor and texture in food, and also increase nutritional quality and digestibility. Plus, microorganisms may be grown as food themselves. Cheese, sauerkraut, cabbage, wine, and beers are the example of microorganism benefit. Herbs and spices also play an important role in the microbiology of food. Herbs and spices make food taste better and used for centuries as medicines and to preserve food. In other words, herbs and spices are traditional food flavor enhancers. Herbs are plant that is used for medicine, seasoning, and flavoring. However, spices are dried plant product that is used as a seasoning, and both have antimicrobial functions.
These research under laboratory conditions indicate that spices and herbs both flavor foods and restrain microorganisms. However, not enough scientific data has been complied whether they function well under natural conditions such as daily life or not. In fact, the author claims that they are supported by cultural traditions or folklores. Despite the benefits of herbs and spices, there are some downsides. They will function as destroyers. When you add heat to them, heat will evaporate and inactivate their antimicrobial properties. The active components of herbs and spices, especially oils, are changed through cooking or digestion. Also, some of them could cause illness if herbs and spices are taken into the body in large doses. Medical community is concerned that people may get into trouble by self-medicating with excessive amount of herbal remedies.